Good morning, guys. So we are doing some review of fractions. 6/7 plus 1/3. We have different denominators, and in order to add these fractions, I need the denominators to be the same. So this is the example on your worksheet, and I wanted you to see it because sometimes when you read all of those words, it gets kind of difficult to follow. So 6/7 plus 1/3. I know that I need a common denominator, and I know that 3 doesn't go into 7, so I'm going to have to do some multiplication here. I'm going to multiply the 3 by 7. Whatever I do to the denominator, I must do to the numerator. Okay, so that one becomes 7 over 21. 1 times 7 is 7, 3 times 7 is 21. This one, I'm going to multiply by 3 because that gets me to have the same denominator. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. This is review, remember, we've done a lot of this year. So now I have 18 plus 7, okay? So in order to do 18 plus 7, I know that that is 25. My denominator stays the same, 25 over 21. That's an improper fraction. Yesterday you worked on improper fractions. We need to flip that. 21 goes into 25 one whole time. I'm going to subtract 21 from 25 and I get 4. Denominator stays the same. Okay, that's our first example. The next one's with a mixed number. So give me a second here. Our mixed number that we have is going to be 2.5 plus 3 2/5. So I can do this one of two ways. Okay, what I can do is I can change these all to improper fractions, or I can look at just my fractions here and add them up. I'm going to do it both ways, see if we get the same answer. So I've got 2 plus 3 is 5. I'm going to throw my whole number over there right now. 1/2 plus 2/5. I need to multiply this side by 5 and this side by 2. I'm going to get 5/10 plus 4/10. I add those up, I get 9/10, so 5 9/10. There's one more way to figure that out. Let's try it. 2.5 and 3 2/5. Because you guys are good at improper fractions, we can do that first. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5 over 2, plus 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17/5. Different denominators, so I need to make those the same. Multiply that side by 5, this side by 2. I'm going to get 10, oh, not 10, sorry, just looking at the bottom. 5 times 5 is 25/10, plus 17 times 2 is 34/10. Add those up, 59/10. 10, now I have to flip this to a mixed number. 10 goes into 59, I know 5 times because 10 times 5 is 50. I subtract 50 from there, I get 9/10. Same answer. I can do it two different ways. You choose what's easiest for you. Tomorrow, we're talking subtracting fractions. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you later.